So, we got a little surprise for my brother for the holidays. We had a buddy of mine entered a photo contest on Facebook and won himself one of these little beauties, and I thought it'd be kind of cool to get one for my brother's bike as well, from Custom Moto Quad out of Quebec. And we can't send it to him like this or give it to him like this, so we're gonna open her up. Polaris shifter, boys, billet aluminum. There we go. Check that out. Isn't that nice? Engraved right in. Looks pretty badass. Check them out. Right on, a couple decals as well.
Okay, don't be an idiot.
Oh!
That scared the hell out of me. Didn't even hurt, it just scared. Right now?
Yeah, we're good,
Go
go.
slow first. Woo! What? Oh, I almost fell off. Oh, that's good. Ah. Let's go, boys. Oh. Ah! No! Oh. Buddy, can you take my phone?
Oh.
Can you take my phone?
Yeah, I get it.
Don't.
In that pocket, put it in that pocket. No, in this one, in this one.
Is this one waterproof?
Yes, they're all waterproof.
Buddy, can you not fish shell anymore? Yeah. Don't care about me or anything. Oh, boys, we undid a bolt. I think. Oh, wait, no, never mind. It was already undone.
There you go.
I'm not ready. Okay. Ah! Did you cut? Oh my god. Oh no. Oh, that was lovely. That was just lovely, eh? No! I almost had it!
I thought you were good.
So was I! Oh, dude.
That fixed the GoPro. There you go. You're good.
Okay. Look at that beautiful sunset. I'm falling off, bro. I'm falling off. Oh no. Dude, where did all the snow go from last night? Dude, I got soaked! Mentally? No.
Go,
No, it's your turn.
No,
Dude, I've done it all the way here. Like,
we need a more snowy spot though.
let me do it to you once. No, this is perfect. Trust me. Trust me.
How long are you soaked?
How's it feel? god, bro. Alright guys, this is run number 2. Wait, actually? No!
That's gonna be a pain to get off. It's so tight.
That's what she said. Live. Oh! Oh, 2 wheels. Oh. Flip it, flip it.
You don't flip this.
Are you sure?
Yeah, go.
You gotta trust me a lot, boss. So if I'm turning this way, lean this way?
Yeah. That hurt my wrist so bad.
You good? It's cause you're on the back, I swear. I want to try and do a catwalk. I didn't shoot properly. Oh, buddy. Yeah, buddy. Yeah, buddy. Look at this guy, such a pro. Cutting it so close to the bushes. Making all them fishtails, doing all them donuts. Buddy's just having a grand old time here out on this winter night in Canada, eh? You know, got a lot of snow melted all today. Would Dad let us wear the GoPro tomorrow?
Yeah, probably.
We should go tomorrow right after school. Oh, that was sketch. Yeah, buddy! Ow! Buddy, backs of my legs are soaked and I don't know why. I want to see that on camera again if I actually like caught that. I swear on my life I literally saw a lighter. Like someone go like this, like shh, and then they saw it, heard us and it went off. Like I swear.